Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off notifications on the Alibaba application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. Now, if you are receiving notifications from the Alibaba application and you don't wish to receive it anymore, then simply long press on the Alibaba app and you will see the info button. Tap on this button, which will take you into the application info page. Now, from this page, tap on force stop at the bottom right corner first and tap on OK to stop the app. You can then tap on notifications underneath privacy. And now all you will need to do is tap on the toggle and turn it off where it says allow notifications. And this will turn off all notifications from the application on your device. You can also tap on notification categories to see the various different categories of notification and turn them off individually based on your preference. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to turn off notifications on the Alibaba application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.